When the church bells ring in Gårdegatene, it's not long before the church is full. The Sámi have always been a religious people. It was in the first half of the 19th century that the Sámi really embraced Christianity, when the revivalist preacher Lars Levi Lestadius set in motion a movement that respected the culture of the Sámi and lifted the people out of a social malaise in which alcoholism was rife. This movement is now known as Lestadianism.
Samene kristne, og de akter sin tro veldig høyt. Den lestadianske vekkelsen har påvirket dem sånn at de føler at den kristne tro deres tro, og ikke en fremmed tro som importert.
Today, most Sámi in Norway are members of the Church of Norway. Before Christianity took hold, the Sámi had a nature-based religion. Some of this old religion still lives on, well hidden in the hearts of many.
To me, the traditional beliefs or religion means the unity between nature, Mother Earth, air, sun, and all of the living creatures. They give me the strength and path how to live.
In the old Sámi religion, there are several gods with different functions. The supreme religious leader is the Noidi, the shaman, who can enter the spirit world. The sacrificial stone is called Seidi. This religion is similar to that of other indigenous peoples. It was brutally suppressed when Christianity made its appearance in Sámi in the 1700s. The shaman was killed and his drums were burned, and all practice of the religion was prohibited well into our own time. Like the religions of other indigenous peoples, the Sámi religion has the fundamental view that humankind and nature are equal. By contrast, the great world religions consider that humankind is above nature. Today, the Church of Norway has apologized for the injustices done to the Sámi during the introduction of Christianity, and the Church has done a great deal to enhance the position of the Sámi in society. Among other things, the Church has helped develop the Sámi written language and contributed with educational initiatives for Sámi.